So here's how you can perform a forced restart of an Android phone in order to fix when the screen is frozen on it, right? So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So the way that it works is that the Android phones, of course, if the screen becomes unresponsive, we also have the physical buttons on the side of the device. So we obviously have the power button as well as the volume buttons. It kind of depends on the specific model, but that's just how it works. And in order to perform the forced restart, like when the screen doesn't respond, we need to hold down on the volume down, which is below, as well as the power button at the same time, right? So what I'm going to do is to press it like this, and I need to hold down on both of them for some time, right? It should be like 10 seconds or so. You just keep on holding. You can see we have a couple of buttons appearing, and once the screen goes black and once you feel the little vibration, you can see that we even have the official logo showing up. Now I can lift the fingers and place the phone back right here on my desk, and it is now restarting. So that just means that if anything was wrong with the software or if something didn't work as it should, we now just restarted it without pressing anything on the display. So it should work just fine. And now we just wait until the screen loads up. That's like the important part, and yeah, it kind of depends on how long your phone takes to power on, but after this it should be fine and the screen should not be frozen anymore. Then you can also explore the software update section and see if it gets you or gives you any software update to be installed. But yeah, that's gonna be about it from me. I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.